Hey guys, it's Ivy and welcome to the coupon camp. We are here to do our 5 off 25 deals of the week, and it is fantastic because P&G is hot. It's raining, guys, so let's get this going. You're gonna have some cheap deals down to you need to add something in it in order to make it work. Okay, so I'm gonna show you some overages and all of that. Okay, this coupon right here. So you're gonna grab 2 Febreze plugs at $5 each. I like the game, so that's why I'm grabbing them. Let's grab 2 of those. So you're actually gonna grab 6. So let's just grab 6 for the video, okay? And 2 more. And 2 of the car clips, okay? Now I was gonna grab the ones at $3, but they do not have them, so I'm gonna get the ones at 5. But the deal will go grab the ones at $3, not the ones at 5. Okay, right here, $5. But if you want to, so the first deal that we got, guys, is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 of those. You need 6 Febreze and 4 of the Febreze car clips. I would use the ones at $3, but since this store does not have them at this point, get the ones for 5. And let me show you what you're gonna do. So let me show you the coupons that you're gonna use. Okay, you're gonna use 3 of these. Buy one, get one free, and it's up to $5. You're gonna use 3 of them, okay? And then you see the buy one, get one free Febreze clips. You're gonna use 2 of those, 2. So you're gonna go up to $36. Matter of fact, you're gonna go up to $30 to $40 now because you had to ask the extra $2. It's gonna take 25 off. Once you do that, you should be down to not $11 but you should be down to $14. Then grab any overage. This is an overage. You could grab 4 of these. That'll bring you down to $6 or to bring you down to 5. You could grab toothpaste, all of that. But I'm going to show you all the overage coupons. So this one right here should be $14. But use any overage that you have to bring it down. Okay? So look at that. Right here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 9, 10. Okay, let's move on to the next one. It is a laundry and shave deal. Again, this is a laundry and a shave deal. So let's get to that. We're going to grab, this is using the P&G. So we're going to grab 2 Tide with Oxy right here. 2 of these. Okay. They're at $4.95. $4.95. Move out the way. I told you to stand up to the side, not in back of me. That's what do it take it up to. Oh no. One thing. And then let's go look for the razors. This is also an all paper deal. This is also an all paper deal. Okay, and then you want to pick up 2 of these chicks, but you want the 2 women, so you can use the $4 off coupon. So let me show you. So just 2 Tide, 2 Bounce, and 2 of the Chic Classic Sensitive Disposables. Okay, 2 of those. Okay, you're going to use 2 of these also. 2 Tide at $3. And you want to use 2 of these. So you're going to use the $2 off Bounty for this. 3 of these. 2 of these for these. And then 2 of these for the Chic Disposable that I showed you, okay? You're going to use it on those 2. So here you go, the Tide. And these right here. It should be between $3.80 and $5.80 out of pocket, okay? Okay, let's go around here to the body wash. Okay, you can pick up 1 Swiffer duster. Here. So I'm gonna grab the Old Spice at $4.50 body wash. These are digitals. The Suave Coconut body deodorant at $1. You're gonna grab the Gang Swiffer Duster at $4.50, and I am going to edit that clip in because I use both of mine. Grab two of these at $5 each. Febreze clip, $5. Two Febreze car clip. Okay, and the Bounty paper towel look like they're out of it. I don't see it. I don't see the 3 count, the 2 count that I was looking for. So I will show you guys that. But for now, you're gonna have 1 Swiffer, 2 car clips, 2 Febreze plugs, 1 Old Spice, 1 of these. Put that in there. Okay, let's edit this one. Remember, guys, when I told you when you don't have all your product, edit if you can. So always have a second deal going on. This is the second deal. I'm gonna do 1 Old Spice at $4.50. 1 plug at $5. 2 of these Febreze plugs at $5, and 2 of these car clips at $5. We're gonna use a buy one get one free coupon out of the May P&G. We're gonna use the $5 off digital body wash that's giving us 50% overage. We're going to use a minus 50% off of this coconut small one. And we're going to grab a Oral-B Healthy Clean at $1 and use the $2 off coupon. And after all that is done, you should be down to $4, $4. That's a really good deal right there. I even like that deal. Now let's do a any day deal. Okay, for my any day deal, I'm going to grab the Old Spice body wash at $4.50. It's going to take $5 off, giving me 50% overage, okay? Then I'm going to get the Suave deodorant. That is the small 1.4 ounce at $1. It's going to take off 50 cents. Then I'm going to grab 2 car clips. Okay? 2 car clips at $5 each. I'm going to use a coupon that's 5 off, buy one get one free. So let me show you that coupon and then I'll show you these. Okay, and this deal came out to $3.50. So make sure you look at that good. Let me show you the coupon. Okay, this coupon should go with that. Then we have the car clip to go with that. So overage coupon right here. 50% overage on this. Take away 5 off that, take away $4.50 off that. That's going to leave you at $3.50. So that's one of your great deals. Even if you do not use that, it'll leave you at $4.50. So either way it go, it's a good deal. You could try both deals, okay, guys? That's like a grand deal to use. Now, if I wanted to do another deal, I could do the Swiffer that's taking $3 off and $1 off. I'll do the Suave, and then I'll do that. All of these 3 right here. This is going to go down to $1.50. Take 50 cents off, so it's going to go down to $1. You're going to pay $2 out of pocket for all 3 of these items. And let me show you the Swiffer coupon. That's the Gillette coupon. I'm sorry, the Old Spice coupon, guy. And here's the Swiffer coupon right here. Right there. It's going to take 3 and 1 off of that Swiffer duster starter kit tag count. So $2 out of pocket right here. 70% off all the clearance items. Let me start scanning. Okay, and let's see. 29 cents. Those are 29. Okay. How much is that one? And that one is 90 cents. A big bunny shot chocolate candy. Okay. See, sorry about that. 150. Let's see how much this one is. 30 cents. Oh, I thought he was fine. Okay, we got Skittles. These are 15 cents. And how much are they? Tropical fruit jelly. Let's see how much. And those are 60 cents. And these are $1.50. Chocolate buddies. Okay. see. Oh, a lot of stuff is, oh, I want that. 70% off, so. Okay, guys. So, good stuff off, but I don't think I want that. Not any of it. They ain't had no suckers. Oh, there's the sweethearts. Okay, those are 75